Let's get your Symmetry Series case installed on your iPad. First, separate the side panel from the case. Then, slip your iPad into the case, lining up the buttons and ports with case openings. Press your iPad into the case, working around the edges and corners to secure it fully. To add the side panel, pop the case off the top left corner. Set the bottom of the side panel in position, then rotate into place. Finish by pressing the top corner of the case back onto the iPad. Your iPad is now protected. Want to use an Apple Pencil? Simply slide your Apple Pencil into the included pencil loop on the side of your case. To remove the side panel, pop the case off the top left corner. Then press the top left corner of the case back onto the iPad. To use your smart cover or smart keyboard, complete the installation following the manufacturer's instructions. That's it! Symmetry Series is now protecting your iPad and showing it off for all to see.